Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today the first in our series of healthy vegetarian breakfasts. Steamed dish popular in Mangalore known as rice undi. Here I have soaked 1 cup of raw rice. I have soaked it overnight since we are making it for breakfast, or you can soak for 4 to 5 hours. I have taken 1 cup of fresh grated coconut in my mixer jar, and we will first grind it into a fine paste with the addition of water. Drain out the water from the rice. Add this drained rice to the same mixer jar and again grind it with the addition of more water. The rice and coconut have been ground well. It need not be very fine, it can be slightly coarse. Put about a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Seeds, Jeera, a pinch of Hing. Now reduce the flame and pour this mix into it. Use a heavy pan so that it doesn't stick to the base and continue stirring it. You can see that it is getting cooked and thickening. Now I am just adding 1 more spoon of oil to it till it all comes together, blended well as one mass. Add quantity of salt. Mix it all well together till it comes together like this. See, this is the consistency that we require. Now transfer it to another plate so that it cools enough to handle it. Aside for about 5 minutes till it cools down a little bit. Meanwhile, we will keep water in our steamer for steaming these undis. So, you just take a ball of this, a lemon size ball, flatten it and make a small depression in the center. Place it on your steamer plate. Grease the plate with a drop of oil before placing the undis. Also, you can grease your palms with just a drop of oil and shape all of them like this. See, we have 21 pieces with 1 cup of rice. Water is beginning to boil now. Place the steamer plate and on a medium flame steam it for about 12 minutes. Side we will make a chutney to go with this. Heat a spoon of oil, of groundnuts, and about 4 of these Bydaginred chillis. Those are not spicy. If you have Kashmiri chillis, you can use, and 2 of these spicy red chillis. Fry the groundnuts and the chillis well in the oil. Small piece of tamarind to this. Salt, and we will grind it into a chutney. Our chutney is ground and ready. We will remove it into a bowl. Adjust the consistency to your preference. A simple tadka, that is tempering for the chutney. Heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds and 1 dry red chilli and a few curry leaves to it. Now pour this on top of the chutney. Chutney is ready. Now we can check the rice undis. Just with your wet fingers touch it, it should not stick. That means it's well done. So, I will remove this. Now we can keep the next batch inside. We'll steam the second batch also. See, our next set is also done. Our breakfast, healthy breakfast is ready. We are ready to serve our steaming hot rice undis. Tasty peanut chutney. Children, you can even give it with some jaggery powder at the side. In Tamil Nadu, in our community too, we make a similar preparation for Karadaya Nombu. It is a festival for this Satyavan Savitri story I have told you earlier. So that time we make it, but we use rice flour instead, but very similar preparation. So I am always amazed at the way we have very similar recipes in different regions of India, healthy and at the same time tasty vegetarian recipes too. Steaming hot rice undi, very soft. Definitely try out this recipe. I am sure you will love it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen again with another interesting breakfast episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.